An object that is moving has energy stored in its kinetic energy store. This energy store depends on the object's mass and speed. We can calculate an object's kinetic energy with this equation. Now let's see how to use this equation. Our question is, what is the kinetic energy of a car that travels at a speed of 20 meters per second and has a mass of 2,500 kilograms? The way we work it out is that we use this formula here and write out what we know. We know a half is 0.5. Times that by the mass, which is 2,500. Times again by the speed, which is 20, and then square that. Enter that into our calculator, and we have the answer of 500,000 joules. Let's look at another question. This one is slightly different. Find the velocity of a bus traveling through town, with a mass of 5,040 kilograms, and a kinetic energy of 493,900 joules. To work this out, we have to rearrange the equation. We need to find the speed or velocity. That equals to the kinetic energy, divided by half, which is 0.5, times by the mass. Now we enter what we know. The kinetic energy is 493,900, and the mass is 5,040. Work out the mass total first, which is 2,520. Enter the calculation into our calculator, and we have the answer of 195.992. Because the speed has to be squared, we have to do a square root of this number. It then equals to 13.99971. Rounded up by 2 decimal places, making the answer 14 meters per second.
Visit GCSERevisionBuddy.co.uk to download free revision worksheets.